In this video, we're going to be talking about how to use Venmo at Ulta with cashback. So let's get straight into the video, shall we? So the first thing you want to do is download your Venmo application. Simply go ahead and open your App Store or Play Store, depending on the device you are in, and simply go ahead and click on the Get icon on the Venmo tab. Once you've downloaded it, simply go ahead and create or log in into your account. So right over here, and then add a payment method. So it could be a bank or card, it doesn't really matter. Then you want to simply go ahead and enable your cashback. So when you go ahead and do so, you want to simply go ahead and look for Ulta in your Venmo, and then you can simply go ahead and activate cashback for Ulta by clicking on activate offer. You can simply go ahead and shop in store at Ulta as usual and pick out your best favorite beauty products. And then you can simply go ahead and pay with Venmo to go ahead and earn cashbacks. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next.